Good afternoon. It is indeed an honor to stand before you today as part of the 10-year remembrance ceremony of September 11, 2001. We come together today to honor the victims and the heroes of the tragedy that befell our great nation on that fateful day, and the heroes that have since fallen. I've been asked to take part in the ceremonial bell ringing of the fire bell. Before I do this, I would like to give a brief history of the fire bell and why it holds a special place within the hearts of the fire service personnel. The first recorded use of the fire bell dates back to 1661. The first known bell located in a schoolhouse was used to call villagers from their homes for the common defense against fire or a living foe in times of danger. In later years, the bell was used as an audible warning device on hand-drawn and horse-drawn fire equipment, and also used as a means to summon volunteer firefighters to their stations. 3 sets of 3, 3 sets of 4, and 3 sets of 5 rings dates back to the days of the first telegraph system in early 19th century. The telegraph systems were linked to bells within the fire stations, and the 3 sets of 5 rings would signal stations to lower the American flag, to half-staff due to the death of a president, and as a reminder of special dates such as Memorial Day. Over the years, as more sophisticated and updated forms of communications evolved, the bell and 3 sets of 5 rings were used to symbolize the death of a fellow brother or sister within the fire service, and forever stands as pride, honor, history, brotherhood among fire service personnel. As we come together today, I suggest we ring the bell to symbolize the pride, honor, history, brotherhood among all Americans, uniformed and non-uniformed alike. Let us never forget the individuals that paid the ultimate sacrifice on September 11th, 2001. Let us never forget the individuals that have been stricken ill in mind or body, who have passed away as a result of assisting in the aftermath and recovery efforts. Let us never forget the men and women that unselfishly put themselves in harm's way in defense and protection of our nation. Let us never forget the pilots and flight crew and innocent victims on the flights that day. God bless the United States of America. And if I could ask you to please join me in a moment of silence while the ceremonial bell is rung, please stand. Uniformed personnel, on the order. Chin up! Uniformed personnel at ease. Thank you, and be seated.